Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is giving you a review of Promolta. If you don't know what Promolta is, it's a place where you can promote your YouTube videos and they'll show up as an in-stream ad wherever they end up on. In which case, you might be able to see them on Google, you might see them on YouTube, you might see them on Facebook. They don't really specify exactly which platforms that you'll see them on, but you'll see them on more than one. So what I did is I spent $25 and I wanted to see what kind of results I get with $25. So what I'm going to do is show off my results and then I'm going to give my opinion on whether you should use it or not. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you. So looking over into the dashboard, you can see that I have 1,316 total views. My duration was 7 days with a budget of $25 and the end date was July 29, 2020. I can go ahead and scroll down and I can look more in the statistics. You can see that for the first 4 days, they was trying to average me out somewhere close to 150. And then for the last 4 days, it was kind of iffy on that because it joint went right down to 69, 36, and then just shot up to 564. Really tried to get those last bit of views out on that second to last day. Really, that was the last one, and then it just kind of carried over because you can see there's 8 days instead of 7, but whatever, I guess. I got 2 Facebook shares. I got 4 emotions on Facebook, so that's something. As far as YouTube though, I didn't get anything new over here other than the views. 994 is where I started off at. And then you throw 1,316 and then you'll get the 2,310 views over here. So this is what I currently got. This would be the exact same thing with the likes, but since I didn't get any likes on YouTube from this, it's still at 9. Same thing with subscribers. I didn't get any subscribers before from it and I don't got any because of it. And that is a pretty big deal for me because I actually said that I was trying to get subscribers. If you're somebody that is thinking about using it, or if you already use it yourself, you know one of the things that they have up there is they ask you a question. Are you trying to get subscribers? Are you trying to get engagement? I said I'm trying to get subscribers. So with that being said, this didn't do much of anything for me other than give me a very small amount of engagement on Facebook. The last thing I can see down here is you got the countries of viewers. Now, Venezuela was the biggest one. I'm assuming that they started, I can't verify this, but I just feel it in my gut that they started with United States first, and then like this 564 situation, like most of that just got pushed into Venezuela. You know, I decided to just see how it would work if I went for all the countries. But maybe one of the things I should have did was just stay in the US. But I do know for a fact that the US is more expensive than other countries. So I wouldn't have got as many views either. So what do I think overall of Promolta? It didn't help, and the fact that I just feel like I lost $25. But what I did do is I put in $25 mainly because I wanted to make sure that I gave this enough money to give me back some real results. The minimum that you got paid is like $10, right? So, I mean, I guess that extra $15 might have got me some extra 2 emotions or something, you know what I mean? Like, I only got 6 emotions, like 2 shares. I got 2 Facebook shares, and then I got 6 emotions. I don't know if they thumbs up, I don't know if they thumbs down. So, and then I get nothing on YouTube. I got nothing on YouTube, man. That is crazy. The joint went for 7 days. You can't change that. So, at least in Sprizzy, like you can make them like 5 days, maybe like 1 to 2 days or something like that. I'll do a comparison between Promolta and Sprizzy another day. So that's the only thing I'm gonna say about Sprizzy right now. Promolta only do in-stream ads. So if you're looking to do ad discovery ads on YouTube, then you would have to use Google Ads. And if you don't know what ad discovery is, that's when your ad has a thumbnail like right beside the suggested videos. If you're looking on a mobile phone, if you were to look like right below this video, 9 times out of 10 you'll see like an ad, but it's like a thumbnail. That's what I mean. That's what ad discovery is. So the only way you're gonna do that is on Google Ads, to my knowledge. You can't use that up here. What else I got? On the plus side, the upfront, you know, it's only a minimum of $10 that you gotta use, but it's still upfront. I could have used a different video. I might have gotten different results. Now I could have also did only US. Could have just targeted people in the US for this video. Also, a different thing I could have did was they got a way when you start setting up your ad campaign up here, they ask you what category you want to target. Unfortunately, the category I wanted to target wasn't a selection. But with that being said, anybody else that has a category that they can select, like food, for example, if you're somebody that has a food channel, you can target that. It might work out better for you than it will for me. This was not a good experience, but I was able to make a video about it. So that's a consolation prize, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this with that. I ain't like it. I can't recommend it, but at the same time, I can only go off what I can go off of. So you might have a better experience using this than me. I will definitely say that at the same time. So hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you get notified. New videos come out from me. Check out my other promotional videos that didn't come out right. Check out Sprizzy, check out Google Ads. I did reviews on both of them. And then I did a separate video of which one I thought was better. Check that out. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.